Space is too large, complex, and chaotic for the human brain to comprehend in its totality. Some possibilities are difficult to imagine, but nevertheless, they could be real. One of these possibilities is blanets or black hole planets, hypothetical planets that revolve around black holes. Often black holes are thought of as being like cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking up everything around them. But that gives a false impression. From a distance, the gravity pull of a black hole is no different than that of an ordinary star of the same mass. Only if you approach a black hole too closely, and in particular cross the boundary known as the event horizon, would the differences become apparent. Cross the event horizon, and there's no turning back. Not even light could escape. If a black hole with the same mass as the Sun were to replace the Sun, the motion of Earth and the other planets would be unaffected. They'd continue to revolve in the same orbits as before, so there's no reason in principle why black holes shouldn't have planets going round them. Stellar black holes are born in supernovas, when very massive stars explode. If a star that dies in a supernova explosion had planets, it seems almost impossible that these planets could survive the monstrous explosion. But it is possible that in time, new planets could form from the debris. Black holes could gain planets in other ways. There are worlds moving through space on their own. It's conceivable that such a rogue planet, unattached to any star, could be captured by the gravitational field of a black hole and so begin circling around it. Another possibility is when a massive star reaches the end of its life but doesn't explode as a supernova. The result is a failed supernova. If the old star started out with planets and then became a supernova-free black hole, it might retain its old planetary system intact. Planets orbiting far away from a black hole would be completely frozen and dead, because unlike a star, a black hole gives off no heat and light of its own. But if an object gets too close to a black hole, it may be ripped apart, and its contents become part of a superhot, fast-circling whirlpool of matter called an accretion disk. This disk would heat any planets that were orbiting the black hole further out. Planets orbiting the black hole on markedly elliptical orbits would be twisted and stretched by tidal forces caused by the black hole's gravitational field. These forces would generate heat within a planet and lead to intense volcanic activity on its surface. Lava tides would be a common feature of the innermost planets of black holes. Blanets with continuously active volcanoes might make them easier to be found. There might also be blanets in perfect locations neither too far from nor too close to a black hole, as in the movie Interstellar. Also, as depicted in the movie, any large bodies of water on planets might give rise to huge tides and giant waves. For now, planets are in the realm of speculation and science fiction, but someday they may become part of our scientific reality.